Oh, I see you shining right through the way now. When I see you smile, oh girl, baby, when I see you smile at me, oh baby, I don't know my lady, I don't know see baby, yeah, baby, there's nothing in this world I could ever do. The touch of your hands can do. It's like nothing that I ever need. Yeah, and when the rain is falling, I can feel it. That you're here with me now. I wanna ask you, baby, if everything's alright. If everything's alright. When I see you smile, I can face the world. Oh, you know I can do anything.
How you doing, Queen?
When I see you smile, I see your rays right. Oh, I see you shining right through the rain now. When I see you smile, oh girl, baby, when I see you smile at me, oh baby, I don't know my name. I don't see baby, yeah. When I see you smile, I can face the world. Oh, you know I can do anything. When I see you smile, I see your rays right. Oh, I see you shining right through the way now. When I see you smile,
Maureen Roberts, good night, Queen.
at me.
Come on in, take a seat.
I don't know my lady.
Come on in, take a seat.
Yeah.
Good evening.
When I see you
Good
smile, I can feel
Laurel, good night.
you know I can do anything. When I see
You know, so we forgot for title live, though. Sandy K, what a go on, Queen. We forgot for title the live. Man, we forgot for title the live. Because I want somebody over here tonight who went to Shades of Pink brunch. I wanted someone, hopefully someone in the audience went to the
Maureen
brunch.
Brown.
Good night.
Good evening.
Yes.
Good night.
I wonder if anybody over here, anybody tonight went to the Shades of Pink brunch? Anybody?
Watched all of it.
Or watched all of it? Because we couldn't get to watch. Good night,
Diane
everybody.
Hunter,
Good
good
night,
evening.
Diane. Good night.
Andreen,
Jocelyn.
Melinda.
Melinda. Wagwan. Anybody?
We're looking for somebody who went to the Shades of Pink.
Yes, we want somebody on here tonight. Good night,
Good night,
Lorna. How
Lorna.
you doing? We weren't able to watch all of it.
No,
I was just
we were busy.
getting little clips.
Yeah,
Social
yeah.
media
Social media
newsroom. What's up,
Social media
Queen?
newsroom. Big up yourself.
Big up
Queen.
yourself, Queen. How
Miss
you
you,
doing? Miss you, boo. Tasha Lee. What a one. What a
Nadine
one.
Jackson.
Nadine. I watched it. You watch it,
All right.
Melinda. Good.
All right.
Me I love for somebody that part here who actually went to the event. Because me want somebody call me and brag to me about him. I want somebody show off for me.
Show
Yeah,
off.
I want somebody show off
You
for
know,
me.
say we weren't able to make it. So
Yes.
we want somebody for show off, can we? Because we weren't able to be there and you were able to be there.
Yeah, man, I want somebody calling and
Call it.
show off on me.
Yeah.
Tell me all
Do
what
it.
me miss. Because me know me miss a lot.
We know say we miss a good time.
Me
Yeah,
know
we know
so
that.
we miss a good time.
Yeah.
But me
Sonia.
want, yes, it from the clippings that I saw, I knew I could tell it was an amazing time. Yes, but me that love a first and somebody with a first and experience. You understand? Yes, man. Come show off on me. You understand? Because me see the part when my auntie step right out. Me see that. Yes.
From the jump.
Yes, me know me that look for that black because me say as she step out.
And me see
yes.
some dancing thing, but you know, me see clips here, me see clips there, like a 2 minute here, 2 minute there, but We never get to watch the whole thing.
Me never get to watch the whole thing because remember say a Kylie weekend, her daughter, birthday
Yes.
weekend, and we out and about over one part in a one place.
Around
around a one corner. I
Uh-huh.
celebrate with her. And every once in a while, me take a little peek. You understand? But me couldn't get to sit down
All
and
of
really
it.
watch the whole thing.
Yes,
You
yes,
understand? Everybody look beautiful. That's what me see. Yes. Me know Auntie did look gorgeous.
Gorgeous.
Yes.
I saw that she had more than one outfit.
Yes.
I did
she
see that.
Step out in the
Yes.
net one. Yes. The
Yes.
mesh one. Yes.
Yes,
With a
and then-
little hat. Yes. With a little
And
pink
then she
hat.
had one like a jacket suit or hot pink jacket suit.
Yes, the pantsuit.
Yes, the pantsuit.
Yes, man, yes. We know say Auntie did step right
Of
out.
course.
You understand me?
Of course.
But me want hear about, you know what I mean? Me think me want to
It
send
was
some.
amazing, but who was here? Want somebody
Yeah, me
who was
want
there?
somebody where in a one corner, somebody where we send to go spy and come back and tell we. Or
Me.
inside it go on. You understand? Want somebody come brag
Some
upon we.
inside details.
Yeah, man, me know it sell off. Me know it sell
know.
off. But me want somebody call me and show off pan me about it. You understand? Nobody not the pan you have to call and show off pan about it. Hello, Faith. How you
Hello,
doing?
Faith.
How you doing, Queen?
Everybody say that watch it.
Everybody
thank
watch.
you. I just want to tell everybody thank you so much. My daughter said to tell everybody thank you so much for the birthday wishes. She greatly appreciates it. She said thank you. Thank you
Yes.
from me. Yes.
Happy birthday again, Kylie.
Happy birthday, Kylie. Happy 21st.
Yes. I know you're probably not watching us.
No.
You're out and about. We know
Yes.
that. We
Yes.
know that. You trick we and talk about say no, you're not gonna go nowhere, but we know you're out and about.
Yes.
You're out and about. Yeah. And because we whole, you know want
You don't
carry
want
with
to
you.
hang out with
Yeah,
me.
you know want carry out tonight. For the real get down, you understand?
Yeah.
And you know me can get down like that. Enjoy your birthday.
Enjoy yourself.
Enjoy your birthday. But it's chocolate tonight, but you understand. Don't blame me if one little bit of Master Baker come out.
Pop in here and
Because sometimes we can't control her.
Kashi,
As much as me don't like to control her.
Misty.
You understand? Yes. So it's come out and a finny fault. You understand? But me I talk about the shade of pink, the little clippings, then what me see. You understand? Me see one where some men me did bad mind the part there. Me see one little part where they have a little dance off. You understand? Like them people on both sides.
Yes.
And then me see the men them.
Yep.
You understand?
Yep.
I go down. Go
Me see
down
some
in
woman
the
and
aisle.
then me see
Me never
man.
did see no woman. Me
Me
see
see-
two
me see
men.
a couple man.
Me see
A
two.
couple
When
women.
me catch it, a two men me see.
Oh.
And the part there, Master Baker, bad mind. The part there, my bad mind, the part there, big and loud. You see, me and my bad mind, me not keep it in. Me come and me talk about my bad mind. Me the bad mind the part there because me pitched her Master Baker a good on in the little part there. You understand me? I drop it like it.
Thank you, Margaret.
I drop it like it's lukewarm. You understand?
Me no
Thank
say-
you, Margaret.
Me no say
Yes.
should drop it like it hot.
Man.
Thank you,
Master
Tasha.
Baker did that, me that go right behind them two men there. Them two men there.
Yeah.
Yes, and Master Baker either go down and come back up. You understand? Yes.
And probably do some boom flick.
But it looks
high kick,
I'm
something.
so happy that it turned out so successful.
Successful.
I had no doubt.
No doubt.
No doubt. Becoming no sense.
Congratulations again, Auntie Donna, on another successful event.
Congratulations. Me have no doubt.
None.
Because me know, me say it already. So me know anything the planker boss I got put on, it I got turn out successful.
Yes.
No ifs, ands, and buts
Buts about
about that.
Yeah.
And let me tell you the real successful part of it. And this a Master Baker come out and I'm going to give a damn. The real successful part of it, can me get a chance now, me back, and me get some clippings, and me see some things over YouTube and some things on Facebook. Yes. The real successful part of that event, or you know say, you are winner, or you know say you a leader, or you know say you got it going on, let me tell you how you know you got it going on. When you can throw an event, when you can throw an event, I fix it.
Yeah.
When you can throw an event and you have your enemies them put on the color of your event, took the time out, put on pink, said them what make fun of events? No, you win.
You win.
You win.
You win.
You win.
On top of it, they knew a whole heap of what happened at the event. So that means say them sit down and watch the whole entire event.
When you can't give your enemy views.
Yeah.
When you can't put on pink. Now, which enemy of mine, which girl, which boy, which puss, which rat, which
dog,
which girl am my enemy? Can I keep an event? And me take the time out of my 24 hours what God give me and even visit that the event online. Not to mention go in a me closet.
Go pick out the color.
Pick out my pink. The team at my enemy party.
Yes.
You know what I'm saying?
Yes.
Or go to the store, go buy pink.
Right.
To say me a protest, my enemy event. What kind of big woman loser me that be? Huh? No, she a win me. No, me a take the time out of my day to do all of this when she not pay me no mind. She have a grand old time.
She not paying no mind. She not look your way. She not give you no knowings. But you took the time out of your day to go put on the colors of her event, sat down and watched her, even though you claim say you're, making fun of whatever. You look like a big idiot.
Those are hours you cannot get back. No. I could have taken that time and spend it with my husband, my granddaughter, my daughter, go visit my brother, go near you for go eat dinner,
go shopping.
There's so many things I could have done within those hours on a Sunday. Could have cooked me damn rice and peas, could have fried me chicken, but me make my enemy consume me that much that me have to go get some pink fingernail, me have to go get some pink clothes. Which girl and which boy as for me enemy I go make chocolate, get up and do them the same thing.
Right.
Time when me can't ever get back.
You can't get it back.
Karen Blair, big up yourself.
Karen Blair.
Not me, no way. Patricia, there's no person me not see somebody what could have get living in my head, my entire being, living in my head rent free like that. So auntie,
so much
overall, you are no matter, because let me tell you something, it no matter what you did where, it no matter how amazing which it was, them not gonna say nothing good about it.
No.
Them not gonna say ever say you look beautiful. So we know the part there already. You understand me? But me I tell you, woman, you are look a woman from Jamaica.
From the gully side.
From the gully side. I've grown as women in America. Took the time out of them dear. Some of them write a whole epistle on them page. Some of them go put on the colors, come and turn on them camera and spend time to talk about the event. Time when you have family, time when you have a life, time when you say you're happy, and which woman and which man could have made me chocolate do that?
Big up yourself, Chris.
Your Majesty. Majesty. Oh, Majesty.
Hey.
Yes, which?
Sicking of them head, them sicking of them head.
Which?
Me not see none.
Majesty, let me talk to you. Which man, which woman, me not like, and me enemy, me eat everything about the person there. And the person there have an event. Me in a big foreign where so much things are going, where so much things are keep, where so much malls there. You know what I mean? Where so much restaurants there. You understand? Where so much parks there. You understand? Me have the one space. And me, if I make one of my enemy, I keep an event and me go invest in a something pink. You understand me?
Put on.
You put on.
Put on clothes.
Yeah.
You turn on a light.
Turn on your life. Some of them paint them fingernails.
Paint them fingernails.
Pink.
When you got done, them to put on pink wig.
You understand me? And then come and like some of them sit down there while duration of the thing and watch it.
From beginning
And uno
to
say uno a
end.
winner. Dana Marie go and whoop on her ass left, right, and center. Because no girl when me eat or no boy when me eat could never make chocolate. Turn on Facebook and go on it. And go on them page. None at all. None.
And go put on, if them a keep on event, go put on color, whatever them a wear.
Go in a film closet, go find color. It color
Where
and
they
what
don't
them
have the color,
event.
where they don't have the color, go buy
Go
it. Man, I do all of that. You didn't even want to see you.
And as she uno get up and beat uno na see she and whoop uno left right while she did it, I have a grand old time not thinking about uno.
She living in your head rent
Tell me say I don't pay mad people full up in America.
Ever since I came on social media, me see
I
all
full
of
up,
them.
me not say America, social media,
Social
Jamaica
media.
social media. Tell me say them people they not mad. Tell me say obsession to the highest degree. You see all of me? Me not even come on social media, none at all that they did there.
No.
You not get me views. Me not put on, if me have on nothing pink, me I take that off.
Yeah, right.
Me I take that off. I saw me roll.
Me don't
with
want no
me enemy
pink,
them.
me don't even want as much as, wouldn't even want as much as a lip.
Thank you, Majesty.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, my brother.
Yeah? Me not, me say
You
if
have to wear red lipstick, purple lipstick.
me say if
any
me did
color.
in a house and me realize a shit, I tell them me enemy have our event and me look on me and see anything pink, that a come off of me.
Yep.
It a come off of me. I saw me work. I saw chocolate do it. Me now look on your page.
And
No.
you know say.
When me did hear say the girl I got been at the building at Canada, let me tell you something. Chocolate never even approached Canada. And if me hear say she don't did it, once me dear Canada, me just call and get me return. For even left out of country where she in her.
That day.
You understand me?
That day we
That
find out
day.
that she did
I
it.
saw me roll.
Yeah.
It take a lot
No
to be my
part of
enemy.
it.
It take a lot to be my enemy. But when you're my enemy, it's like you don't exist to me. You understand me?
Want nothing to do with you.
You know, me and you not, me and you not in the same building I sit down.
No.
I saw it go. Yeah. All of the girl that was show up an anti-sin in our, what's your name? I don't know what's your name. Me not even I got too deep in there. But my event, a shade of pink. You show up in a black. I'm sorry, you're turned back. You're not entering. Thank you for coming, but you're not coming in because my event, it's clearly stated on the flyer
Pink.
that it's pink.
Shades of pink.
You understand
It didn't
it? Thank
say
you for
shades of
purchasing your
black.
tickets. Your ticket. Thank you for showing up. But unfortunately, you won't be
gotta go.
able to make entrance into my event because you're not in the appropriate color.
You have
See
to
him,
go.
sir.
You have to go.
You understand?
Yep.
You're not in the appropriate color.
Right.
Turn her right back. You understand me? Auntie, you're nice. Me love that about you. You understand me? You're
But
nice.
sometimes you're
And
too
you're
nice,
welcoming.
man.
But sometimes you're too nice. Because sometimes you go hug some of them and them have something upon them that when you hug them, it just poke to them jaw and poke you. You understand me? Me not hug none of my enemy, them back up from you, sir. When you're my enemy, you're dead to me. I saw you go.
No part of you. We don't want
You
no part of
understand?
you. We're
That
good.
part of me and
Stay
you
with
no
it.
longer exists. As I work for chocolate.
Yeah.
Me nice to you, me good to you, me support you, but the minute you cross me, it's
done.
death sentence to you. I mean, no
It's
care
done.
who you be.
Nope.
Me no care who you be.
That's it.
That's it, but I'm like, certain people
Point blank period.
yes sir, then can't come to me with no apology. You First of all, me never did come out and fast with you. You understand me? Yes. You could have apologized till judgment day. Me not looking at you.
No.
You understand me? Certain people, the way them class me auntie, the way them class majesty, you understand me? All of them get up tomorrow and them apologize to auntie and she accept it. I don't want to have nothing to do with you. You understand me? That's how it work for me.
Yeah.
That's how it work for me. Yes. Because I that the girl there. That the girl there when me never did come out here, come trouble. Me come out here and speak me truth. Me come out here and speak like everybody in the United States of America. We have the freedom of speech and she take it up. You understand me? And she not only take it up, she sit down constantly and lie upon me. As she make Chocolate tell you something. I'll she baptize tomorrow. Holy Ghost fill. Save and sanctify. She could never come in after my space. Never be my friend. Yes?
Nope.
Never will accept an apology from that.
No.
You understand me? The despicable things them, what she said about me. Me no care if a social media and a money you da get it for are views. You cross certain line with me, you're not coming back over. I saw it work with me. It done. For me.
Yeah.
You understand? Me
There's no turning back.
Me now walk around with nobody in my heart. Me now walk around with nobody in my head.
No.
You understand?
Sure
Me now
not.
living here so rent free.
Sure not.
But certain people, when them disrespect and you turn around and apologize, what I tell them say, okay, them can go and wash off and pretty up and powder up certain things, and you are gonna tolerate certain degree of disrespect. No. I'm not saying that some people can be, really remorseful. There's a difference. You understand? And how far have they gone? How sincere have they been?
Yep.
You understand me?
And
yes.
are they truly remorseful?
Are they truly remorseful?
And what actions have they shown to show that they are remorseful?
Exactly. But let me tell you something. This is a Jamaican gal here. Let me tell you something. Even if we are share house, you understand me? You sweep for your side, and me sweep for my side. Even if we are sleep on the same bed, you spread up for your side, and you left for my side, or me spread for my side, and left for your side. You understand? If we are twin, if we are conjoined twin, and you disrespect me certain ways, you understand? Me cut you off. Even though me can't cut you off of my body, but me and you, not in a nothing. Me go beard and slam you in a bathroom door and you wait out this of a chocolate till chocolate done beard. You understand me? Yes. Yes. We're not going to normalize disrespect.
No, not at all.
You understand me?
Not at all.
Yes.
Nope.
Yes.
Nope.
I saw it all go. See him where it all go. See him so. See him so. See him so.
Yeah.
Yes. Now for them people, use people with big platform out here, and when them use them and friend them, and them share them out, like auntie, like majesty, me not put my mouth around and talk, and no girl or no boy so can't beat me. And when me don't talk, me no look. You understand me? Yes? And them friend them, and them share them out, and them build them platform off of them. Then them turn around.
When them things say them reach.
When them feel say them reach, them turn around and them cuss them out.
Yep.
Now you are telling me say somebody like that. Me for make. Me can't see if you never build a platform off of me, if me never did know you. If me and you associate none at all, then all right. Okay, you're a total stranger to me. You just come, you want to build a platform, you want to say certain things and whatever, and you come and you might be sorry. But you use me. So we associate, yes, me share you understand me?
Yep.
Me have certain degree of respect for you, but when you feel like you reach now, you turn around and you class me. And what? You want to come back? Chocolate could kick it, virtually kick in your ass, go bush, go along somewhere. Go along somewhere. Go on the hood, make me light you up and turn you on a cold scale. Go on, because you not insist to me. You understand? You don't exist to me. Yes, users.
Yeah.
Users.
And then after you disrespected them, cuss them out, you expect for turn around and expect that person for accept your apology after you use them.
Users, a bunch of users on social media. And people, even if you have a small platform and you happen to get a big platform, be careful. Be careful of people that will come and go and let them support you. You understand me? And then them always have the audacity. Me did have this already and me did have that already. When they feel like them reach, they think it's a crime, it's criminal to give respect where respect due. Me not afraid for sit down here so and say Auntie share with enough time.
Auntie share with enough.
Chris, your majesty share with. Yes, man. Yes, enough time. Me can name out all of the people that Panya was share with, and we're grateful for sharing with. Yeah, Rose Kitchen and Vlogs. Yes, Miss Lothian. You understand me? Dines Million. Yes, me can't go on, but me not like call name because me will forget people. Stacey Campbell, you understand? No, a lot of people share us out.
Yeah.
You understand? Me now go sit down here with Vanilla and they will go on like say, nobody never share we out. You understand me? Auntie willing enough time. And me sit down and me promise you know, that one woman willing enough time. Ask Auntie when I last time she even talked to me. We's not the person to get up and call Auntie all the time. Until we say, oh, me not hear from Una. Yes, you Una dash me with stuff like that. We even said that to her too.
Yeah, we said
dash
that to her too.
You know what I mean? Because we not talk. We not talk.
Like that, no.
Not like that.
No, and
not
when
like
we
that.
call her, we're just saying, just calling to check on you. You're all right,
doing?
everything good? Okay, have a blessed day.
Same thing with Majesty.
Keep it moving.
Majesty on a birthday or some milestone, and he might miss it on social media. It will send with a voice note.
Yep.
Wagwan, daughter, stuff like that.
Or call we
don't
chase
people.
Nope.
We don't, and it's not chasing either. But we just don't get up and call folks, because we know them have them life, we know them busy, and besides, we don't have nothing to talk not about.
Right.
Not unless a business. You understand what I'm saying? We not sit down and gossip about people on social media. Ain't nobody got time for that. Ain't nobody important like that.
No.
You understand me?
And
Ain't nobody important like that.
And we're busy too.
Until we tell her. Yes, enough time with when occasionally when we talk to her. Not to mention when we go to Jamaica and visit her, that lady always want to advertise her business.
Yep.
And we always beg her, no.
We always have to tell her, no. We are not bringing our business to social media.
No.
She say,
because of our art.
Talk about it. No.
Yes, because of our art and the fact that you want everybody to win. Yep. Even when you're winning, she still want people to know you win. We say, Auntie, we don't need people to know we are win. We are right. You know what I mean? We are right.
Yep.
She just want show us such a proud of you. That's how she steer. That's how she steer.
Yes.
She don't care about people just being proud of her. When she associate with you, she want people to be proud of you, to know where you have, know where you accomplish.
Yeah, she
understand? That's how she steer.
She wants others to succeed.
Yeah, and who not succeed, she want to see them succeed. You understand me?
She will keep pushing and pushing and pushing until she sees you go up.
Right. But the thing about it is,
you,
people upon social media, they hate them, and the so-called people will run up on these platform holders and act like they have their best interests at heart. So a lot of them are users. Yes, users. Then we sit there all day and use your content and talk about your content. But when it comes to real support, I'm talking about real support. You understand what I'm saying? A lot of times we can't get to watch the people them that we love because we have a life and we're busy. You understand me? But when it comes to real support, and if you don't sit down here and watch we, every Christmas, every chance we get, we support the people them. Will support us, especially platform holders.
Yes.
And if you don't sit down here and say, I like chocolate and vanilla, tell. Then, what is a bunch of liars? What is a bunch of liars? Mm-hmm.
Sure, where we are lying.
Sure way. Somebody will uno see way and them cool and we not get up and support them. And when I say a support for support, if
No.
me do this to you, then you have to do that
this
for me.
No.
We do it because we respect you. We do it because there's something about you that we like.
Yep.
Yes, because we don't mind seeing people win, and we're not selfish people. Yes, we love to see people succeed. Yes, we support everybody pan your bake. We've bought purchase a kid. As long as we know from them who wanna support our bake. Tell me who wanna support
Pep,
right
pep.
now. We're not talking about enemy vanilla.
Okay.
You think so me not really take up my
No,
money to buy
you
pepper?
said we support our baker.
Well, me not. She a baker. She a baker.
No.
Don't turn chocolate out tonight. She a baker. You get a baker.
True, she's not a baker.
Me talk about baker. People pay you what we know bake. You understand me? Yeah. Now let me get out pine and show them side of me. A master baker side of me when me off camera. Now bring the pepper so that again a baker. What she ever bake? You understand me? Yeah, opening some Betty crackers and box and pour them up and whip them out and fling them in an oven. That's not baking. Me talk about Francis. You want to see baking? Go over Majestic or watch him when he ma bake.
Me watch him.
You understand me?
Me watch him, man.
You understand me?
I know him.
She a baker?
I know him can bake.
You better talk about baker. Look on Rose kitchen. Go over there. You see when Rose a bake. You see when Auntie down there mix up her stuff them. And them the people that me call baker. You understand me? Me never see that there's somebody that bake yet. You understand me? Yes. So me no consider she a bake. You watch her and see when she a bake?
No.
Because me no watch her.
Me no watch her neither.
Me see one like a clippings that she over on YouTube. I saw they watch her sending our vanilla. She had this way up and they was sending our phone. You understand?
Yeah.
I'm mistakenly opening it because I don't see what it's about. You understand? But when we talk about bake, I talk about people who can bake, who can mix up the thing from scratch and show it.
Oh,
you understand?
you mean real bakers. Gotcha.
Then who you think me that about fake bake vanilla?
Well,
Now you have nothing you say now. Me paint you in a black, you know, because you come like you're too white tonight, you know. Oh,
Gotcha.
all right.
Gotcha.
Sure.
All right.
Get with the black side, man. Get with the black side. Come on board.
Okay.
Yes.
All
yes.
right.
Baker we are talking about. Sure. Yeah, me not talking about a box cake baker. You understand me? Yeah, me not talking about a 1 cup cake baker where you got what supermarket in New York name again? It went over Bay Plaza there. They have one named Pioneer.
Pioneer.
In the Bronx.
Yep.
Yeah. Now when I go over Pioneer, I'm going to pick up a people cupcake off of the shelf and go and strip off like a paper off of it and sit down and decorate it. When I talk about that, vanilla, understand? They talk about people who do the butter from scratch. You understand me? When you put in the butter and all of that. Stuff for Master Baker don't know if you do. That's what I talk about. Stuff for Chris know if you do, but Master Baker don't know if you do it. And that's what I talk about.
So not the ones who go into Sam's Club and buy
in a bulk, right?
and sell them and pretend they are them baking.
Right.
Oh.
Okay. Yeah, that's why Majestic come out and in truck. He actually go deliver cake. Yeah. I talk about people with empty boxes.
Okay.
You understand when they knock on the
box? Sure.
Yes. Yeah. Because you know when they stack up a box and if you look a breeze blow, it what empty box then blow over.
Yeah.
When I talk about them the people that vanilla, learn when me talk about real baker. Don't make me you have nothing tonight. Okay. All right.
All right.
Yes, that's what I'm talking about. Them type of baker there. You see something what Chris Majesty have and he spray out the icing through the little part down at bottom and make a little wiggle thing them and diggle
The
things
wiggle
them.
thing them?
Yes.
But he makes actual flowers.
Yeah, and flowers and stuff. And you see him take up a fondant. Fondant.
Got it.
All right, thank you for telling me. That
Got
thing
it.
when need out like flower and he have a machine when put it through. You
And
see
make it flat.
at them there.
Yes.
At them there.
And then create whatever I'm do on the cake with them sitting there.
Right.
Yeah,
Me not talk about nobody.
fondant.
Me not talk about nobody. We're going on my granny vase and take out your granny flowers them and wash off the plastic flowers them and jam them in the cake. Me not talking about people like that, vanilla.
Oh, they're plastic. I thought they.
You vex me up. You vex me up.
I thought they were trying to put real flowers on stuff.
No,
Oh.
I the baker that you are talking about. You understand? Me not talk about nobody nobody will take Betsy shoes and put it on top of them cake. The one where they walk, you know. Me talk about baker we can make a Betsy Adam shoes. You understand me? Actual shoes out of fondant and put it on the cake and you can name it. You understand me? It baker where you talk about that about the can name. You understand me? First of all, it boot mash up and it need for care shoemaker, the shoemaker, so shoemaker can fix it. That's the kind of baker you are talking about, vanilla. Me not talking about that the baker there. Me talk about baker kind of like master baker, but not actually like master baker. A little bit better than master baker. Like my papa-in-law.
Gotcha.
Auntie, where you see a mix up a thing in our kitchen. You understand me? And you see Wallipa, J. Ray and him nephew them pan shelf. You understand me?
Gotcha. Not water down something.
Me not talk about no one or two. One or two where you buy in a duty free.
Yeah, or non-edible products on a cake.
You understand?
Gotcha.
Yeah, and then one day like what Master Baker me bring up in a little box them, when then tape up in a duty free for me.
Yeah.
You understand? And if it drop too hard, it mash up. One time Majesty I come up for I like all pallets of them at the J-Ray and nephew. You know, me not talk about a baker like me will wrap up one in a them towel are them tights and push in a suitcase. You understand?
Gotcha.
Yeah, I try to hide it from custom.
Yeah.
No, me not talk about them type of baker there. Vanilla don't piss me off.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. All right.
Understand me? And know them type of baker that me I talk about. It one that will push you rum in their shoes. You understand me?
Gotcha.
No, me talk about one that were big and loud and can carry up them product, God, whether in America or England. You understand me? Because them are real business people. Yeah.
And everything on the cake is edible.
Yes.
Gotcha.
And buckets of fruit are soak. Me not
For a
talk.
long time.
Yeah, me not talk about nobody
Gotcha.
will have one glass of fruit or soak. Kind of like me. Understand? Although buckets me soak. Me not talk about nobody will have one glass of bucket, one glass of fruit or soak. For Christmas we make them one like a taste bad cake. Not them type of baker that me I talk about.
Gotcha.
You understand?
All right.
Yes. Me talk about real baker. When Majesty have opening, you know, say auntie, they open like big kegs of fruit, kegs on top of kegs on top of kegs. You understand me? And that's what I want to be when I grow up into real baker, you know. When I feel bad about myself tonight. Me I hype them up, but me feel bad. Feel like I don't want to come out as master baker again. Jesus, me really want this in America, you know.
So you said that then soak them fruits in a bucket, not in the washing machine?
For not talk to me, I come like your advisor and now me right now. Me just realized something, so me what this in America.
Worthless?
What this man?
Really?
Fear baker. Yeah, me just realized how what this me is. Fear baker. Jesus God, I'm in love tell people so I'm basically born and raised here. Jesus Christ, and I one little cup of something me can put for soak. You baker what you are talking about?
I thought it was a washing machine they used to soak them stuff.
I tell you, I feel bad. No, me feel bad as master baker. You know me master baker.
Yeah.
Me feel even worthless as master baker. Me no real baker. You understand? When it come to describing what Chris them do, me feel worthless as master baker, man. Jesus God, you not gonna tell me some master baker worthless over here. Or if you compete with them this a Christmas season, but whether they like it or not, master baker come out. Whether them like it or not. And my arrow is right over Brixton cake shop and down at 99. Whether them like it or not. If an egg, master baker off in the red. Yes, but you did bring up some baker. I wish I yesterday baker there.
I hear about them, you know. Me not watch them.
Oh, I hear about it.
Yeah, me hear say she use our washing machine for do enough of her stuff with her cake them. Like soaking the fruit out of the washing machine she used, and then when they soak too much, she put them in the dryer. For kind of dry out the fruit them.
Oh.
Yeah. Oh. That way when you get our cake, it's stiff.
But you really bake? All right, Betty.
No,
Betty Crocker then she kind of mix up.
What I heard is she goes to Sam's Club. She'll soak the fruits in the washer, put them in the dryer. She'll go to Sam's Club and buy them and stick them with her finger in there like it's a fruit cake.
Oh.
She used her finger and poke holes in there and shove the fruit them into the hole them.
Oh.
And then try and use some Betty Crocker frosting for put on it.
Oh, that she do.
Yeah, that's what I heard.
So me no know she, me no know who you talk about vanilla.
That's what I heard.
That's why me named that. Me no know that there's somebody.
Okay.
Me talk about real baker them. Like how you that have like Rose Kitchen and Vlog. Me know she can bake. You understand me? Yes, she a baker. Why other place where we buy cake from last year because we not good with member in JC something kitchen.
JCM Kitchen.
JCM Kitchen. Yes.
Yeah.
Them cook food. Miss Lothian.
Miss Lothian?
Yeah, Miss Lothian.
Yes.
You understand? Miss Lothian stuff them nice. You understand?
Yes, her fruit punch. Not only bacon, but she her fruit punch nice too.
I punch them a punch. You understand? I punch them a punch. Yes, man. I punch them a punch. Yeah. I punch them will punch you down. You know what I mean? Box you down quicker than a fruit punch and beat up your face quicker than a fruit punch. I saw it sound
No.
okay, well, wherever we go, I saw we ever sing it. You understand me?
Oh, okay.
But yes, but me didn't know about that the baker there. Yes, but since you bring up, so we never.
And me
but we know
say,
so we support all of the bakers them. Time here. Yes, man.
And
we
me
do.
here say after them do all of that, them go to the flower shop and get a couple of the flowers that soon dead off and get them cheap.
No, you go too far,
and put
vanilla.
them in the-
That don't make no
that's what
sense.
I heard.
No, that don't make no
That's
sense.
what I heard.
No, because
I'm
when
just telling you what I heard.
if I see them baker you are talk about, me know so them that come out of one vase. Them they not come from no damn flower shop, vanilla. Them they are straight out of one vase. Them they pick out. Them did have dust on them. You understand? And they just box off the dust and stick it in.
Gotcha.
You understand me? Don't talk about a flower store. You understand me?
I had heard that they were soon to be dead flowers, like they were drying out. And those were the ones.
Somebody get vanilla.
Okay.
Well, no one get vanilla for she come on the black side now. Me not ready to give her up. Yeah, man, big up Majesty.
Big up
the
your
business,
Majesty,
man. Big
yes.
up, me love how you do it these days.
Keep doing
nice
your thing.
and cool and focus. And not focusing on any locus.
No.
Yes, man.
Don't
big
look.
up yourself. Yes, big up yourself. Yes, man. And Auntie, we're so happy that your event turned out
We're
to
so
be
happy
so
for you.
successful, and we had no doubt that it would. And I'm super impressed with you because the woman from the gully side, right? She had grown ass women. These women are over 40 years old.
Yes,
you understand me? Some are grandmothers, and you made them, you single-handedly made them go dress in pink. Yes, in pink on the day of your event, even though they weren't invited, they weren't in attendance. They took the time out of their day to study you, which all day, which they can never get back. While you were having a grand old time.
You were living rent-free in them
That's
head.
a winner in my book.
You were living rent-free in them head all day long.
That's a winner.
Yes.
All around
go,
winner.
Auntie.
In my book. Big up yourself.
Big up
every
yourself,
time.
yes.
Nuts, bracelet, and bliss. Big up yourself. Nadine, big up yourself.
Nadine.
I also do cakes and punches, sorrel, jams and all kinds of things.
Okay, Nadine.
All right, Nadine, we have to look and see how long you follow it because you understand. Well, if I use her out here on social media, you understand. And because them ears are kind, I'm not saying you, sweetheart. But a lot of people have heard that we're kind and they run come over here. Trying for things then can get some of the kindness. You understand? But we are very smart. We can go in and we can tell how long people are following. Yeah, man. Yes, you understand me? So, we're just super careful.
Yes.
You understand? We're just very, very careful. Especially when you know, and to God be the glory. To God I give all glory, all honor, all praises. You understand me? And I cheer for all the folks out here who are using social media in a good and positive way and to enhance them life, enhance them business. But I'm giving God all the honor, all the glory that when I come out here for those things, we come out here for entertain and for sit down and chat just like we are chat on and know we do with praise and worship and we try to put a smile on y'all faces.
Yes.
You understand me? That's what we do.
And we
You
try to
understand
give back
me?
to our kids
And
and
nobody,
queens.
now, when time you see we come out here and we not respond to nobody. You understand? And because we don't have to, we don't want to.
No.
You understand? And we know if we respond, we're going to crack on up. That's why we kind of got the way tonight. Because we want crack on up and make on laugh. You understand me? But a girl not living at this area.
No.
Rent free. You understand me? No non-progressive. Nobody will suck at life and out here miserable and play a victim. Can't live in this area. Yeah, no matter how much them spin the lie and spin the lie. Chocolate about our business. I live our best life. I do our things. You understand me? Yes, man. Then could I lie from now till next year. You understand? And you see when Master Baker come out, like me say, at 2 places Master Baker I go look. Over in England, for mess with our papa-in-law, and down at the gully side. And 99, for mess with our auntie. Whether them want it or not, me I go festive of the cake season, because that's what Master Baker known for do.
Yep.
Anybody want Master Baker attention, them, me no know what them have to go do. Forget it. You understand?
Sorry for
because
them.
I'm not looking.
No.
Me telling you
Sorry
from
for
now,
them.
I'm not looking. You understand?
Sorry, but not
it's
sorry.
all about fun and jokes.
Yes.
With Master Baker and our 2 favorite bakers. And when my favorite people, I put my mouth on ground and talk. And when me bias about people, when I ever see me company and stutter, me not stutter. That no mean say, me not appreciate the other bakers, them what we support. But them they are for me 2 favorite baker and Miss Lothian. You understand? I feel with 3 favorite breakers them there. You understand? I mean, anybody want up in them feelings and go up in our feelings. Me can't lie. You understand? Me cannot lie. Me not say on stuff no good. Me just can't lie. On social media, yeah. After social media, feel with favorite baker, you know, a Jennifer.
Yes.
You understand?
Yes.
Yes. And I saw me keep it real. Because well, girl, or a boy I do. Beat me. All you can do is tap watch me. Yes. And the less amount of people will watch me. And less people we have to think about for spoil.
Hot step up, big up.
You understand me? Yes, man. Big up on a nice, clean self, yeah? And I can run with this all over the damn place.
Hi, Julie. Big up yourself.
When I run with this, I don't make no money
Marcia
off of it.
Smith.
At least give some people some credits when I'm not making money off of it. You understand me?
Marlene.
Keep it to yourself. Marlene, big up yourself. Big up yourself. And Angela, big up yourself. Yeah. And guys, Sunday I come on my husband's birthday. So I have another birthday weekend. We have another birthday weekend coming up to celebrate. Yes? So I'm not going to miss it again for praise and worship. But my promise, after this coming Sunday, we're back on schedule. You hear?
Yes.
Because this has been such a busy year. We're not complaining. And it even look more busier next year.
Yes. And we have a lot coming up too.
Yes.
So we are busy.
But we're going to try. Any little chance we get that we can squeeze it and come, we are going to do it.
Even
You
if it's
understand?
for
But we
a
are
little bit.
committed to a Christmas giveaway.
Yes.
Yes, that is what we know we are committed to.
Yes.
Because we do that every year.
We can't make it pass.
We not make it pass.
Nope.
We're committed to a Christmas giveaway. We're committed to that.
Yes.
Yes. And when anytime we can get a chance, we're committed to always give back and give our credits.
Absolutely.
We not change that.
Nope.
You understand
Nope.
me? Big up on a
And
nice clean
thank
self.
you everybody who played the game with us.
Oh, that was so
Thank you.
fun.
Thank
Yes.
you so much.
Thank you. Guys, we cracking up. People are looking
Man,
we and I
some of the
wonder
things-
where we are laugh about.
Say some of the things people said to us for the answers. Man,
That was so much fun.
oh my God.
I'm gonna go vote either today.
I voted. Yeah.
I'm gonna go vote it either tomorrow or tomorrow.
Wednesday.
Thursday. Tomorrow,
Wednesday.
Wednesday.
Yeah.
May either go tomorrow or Thursday. Yeah, because early voting over on Friday.
Yes.
So I'm gonna go vote
Yes.
either tomorrow or Thursday.
Yes.
But I'm gonna go vote. Yeah, man. Me have to go vote for Camilla. Yes. I'm not afraid for talk who may vote for either. Like, seriously. Everybody have them choice. Like, I'm not telling her who to vote for. But Camilla may vote for. She a woman.
I did too.
Camilla may vote for. Hello?
Woman would say.
Yeah, yes.
It's a time for a woman to be in the White House.
As I go.
Long
You
overdue.
understand? You voted, big up on yourself, and who not vote yet, make if them have vote early voting in our state, make sure you go and get and go get you no vote.
Yes.
I also said something about chocolate. Be careful. When I say about chocolate, me pull back the event. Because I have to go and read, I have to go and side eye.
Real talk.
Real talk. That's something nice. Big up yourself, Denise White. You understand me? Big up on yourself. Yes, man. Yes, all Democrat all the way. Damn right. Have a blessed night, everybody. And we will see you now again soon. Yes, man. And in a matter where the non-baker want to shoot off her white tongue and say about chocolate and vanilla, she not have nothing pan way, so all she do is get up and lie, but we sit down and we celebrate our daughter illness, which everybody knows is a big lie. The video is right on our page. Yes.
At the top. Everybody
know how the drinking of wine did come about when we're there in New York. We're talking at the truck, so when we come back down here, we are going to do the live with our wine, and we are going to critique our clothes, because she did do that when we did got it.
She did do that to we.
Right.
So we say, all right, come back. You want to critique we are going to critique you.
Yes.
And we sip wine critiquing she.
And she talk about everything, but she skip over the death threat, the wishing deaths. Wishing death upon me. Yep. And that's how our daughter come up in the conversation, because we did a talk about her wishing death upon me.
Yes.
And chocolate for dead, and she for sleep and wake up and this and that, and the devil know what. And I mean, I know how she can sit down every day and tell the people them over there, when a video is on our page, where they can go watch the one before it, and that video, if see how the wine drinking. Girl, talk bad mind me for my wine, your backside. Me now sit down and talk about this
Sorry,
over
you can't
and
drink
over.
no good
You
wine.
understand me? Me want some wine. We have nothing for drinking, girl. Bad, I wine she bad mind with her. So you see we drink, always drink lemon water, and we pull out a red wine. You just live power with a plenty of red wine me have up here, so. Talk bad mind me for the wine. You understand me? Yes.
We'll leap at it.
Yeah. She wish that for me. She wish me have high blood pressure, diabetes. She wish me sleep and no wake up. All of them sitting there. She saying a one live about me. And that's how the conversation started, and it led to her daughter. For her to be out here wishing death on me when she have a child who's suffering from a terminal illness. That's how it came about.
And we told her to go go spend the time with her daughter.
And we wish her daughter all the best. That's what we do, because I know, sir, we are not them type of people that sit down and cuss people about them illness or them disability. We don't do that. We don't go down those roads. We don't do that.
No.
It no matter how disgusting a person is, we just don't. That's a road we don't go down. You understand? Especially when you fear God, there are certain things I don't let come out of my mouth.
Nope.
Yeah? Because me not have to use a daughter for hurt you. Me can sit down here and hurt you, because me talking tonight, me know it get up under your skin. You understand? Because you have a crush for me, you just don't want to admit it. You understand me? But me not do woman, me strictly dickly. You understand me? You want come rub on my pum pum. And me sorry, me now make a rub on my pum pum. You understand me?
Go back and watch the letter from our pum pum.
Right, me very dainty. You understand me? No, leave me alone. You can't come rub up on me.
No.
You understand? It two way of titty. Me don't know what to do with my titty. You understand me? So leave me alone. Yeah? Leave me alone. You just want to see my pum pum. Yeah? Every time you come over here watch me, you just wonder what it look like. You understand? You wonder, oh, it feels to squeeze this nice, smell good teddy. Right, yes, sir? Yeah? No. Stop it, man. Leave me alone. Stop. Yeah, stop it. Understand? It's either that or you're just jealous of the facts I know you have we as friends. Because you see how we support people that we actually like. Because we don't buy out all of your cupcake them if you're really big and we're your friend. We don't buy out all of your cupcake them and just give them away. You understand? At that about you. You understand? Can you sit down and you so much cakes we got Jamaica go buy. You much cakes we sit down over here and just give away friend them cakes.
Yes.
You know what I mean? And at that about you wish we are your friend. You wanna be our friends. You wanna be our friends. You wanna be our friends. Well, we don't want to be your friend. Move! I'm back up.
Move your backside from your way.
Yeah. We're too hot for anger. You want a friend with big, nice, pretty house. Look behind me. Yes. Say, come over here, come sit down around my dining table and eat. Move! With your prison self. Go ahead. Yes. We don't, yes.
Jacqueline Ellis.
We don't want no convicts.
No.
In our crew.
In our presence. No.
We don't want no convicts.
No.
You understand? Yes. We don't want no cupcakes convicts.
No.
You wanna be in our crew. Yeah. You wanna be in our crew. Yes.
We don't want to be near you.
And that's why you're here today. You wish we and you are friends.
That's what it is.
Yes.
You don't say you're right.
Of
man.
course
I hate
that. Yeah.
I hate that. You wish we were friends with you.
You wish.
And you're vexed because we're
not
not friends with you.
And that.
Yes,
because you know so we don't buy up one heap of cupcake and give them away.
Yes.
Yes. And that. Go along to your broke friend them and left we alone. We hang with people.
Yes.
With them purse.
Bye-bye.
Purse. Oh, I can't manage. I can't manage. I cannot manage. No cupcake. A nice friend you want, eh? You want a nice friend, a white friend you want. She want a white friend. Oh, you can't manage. You want a white friend or you want a fluffy friend?
Which one?
You want a fluffy friend.
Oh, a both man.
It burn you, say that you will love.
Yeah.
It burn you.
You're
you.
because we're not support you.
Yeah, it burn you because I know you we are support. It burn you. It burn you. It burn you, man. You want to buy out that little tough cupcake there. We not give them to it.
We don't want no
them
rock.
to kings and queens.
No, we don't want no rock.
I know that them want. You understand?
They don't like rock.
I know that them want. You understand? Yeah. So I don't feel with fault where you eat with her.
Right.
You understand? I may not make you see me. Pum pum.
No, you can't. You can't see it.
Can't
no.
See my pum pum. Can't see my pum pum. Go and dream about it. Can't see it. You understand? I may smell good. Just smell me through your phone.
Yeah.
You understand? Yes. That's the most you're going to get. Leave me alone. Yes, that's it. That's all you're going to get. You understand? Leave me alone. Yes, man. Go on, try to be like me with kindness. You see like how me do it back to school thing and you run and you do it back to school. That's a good thing. You see like how me about to give us some things now for Christmas and you go for some little old cheap piece of gowns and say you're going to give them away. That's a good thing. Maybe there's people will take that. Then there are things if you do. You understand? But leave chocolate and vanilla alone. Leave chocolate and vanilla alone. And you lose long time ago.
Long
Then
time.
see Planka Bass and Chris them.
Long time.
Noel, the first Noel, he can cook so well. You just go beard and guy your bed. Just beard and guy your bed. And leave the good up people them alone. You understand? Alright. That's all I have for you. Yes. How we ever come? Big back. Go lose weight chocolate, guy Jim. Shape bad shaping girl. Why make I do anything to touch the bad shaping girl there, you see man? Look how she look clean. I can't say she bathe. I wonder what she wear tonight. Her perfume must smell goody. And look on the white one. Yeah, it pale Malata one. Yes, the Malata. The Dundus one. Yeah, I wonder.
Albino.
Albino.
Yeah.
Oh, she look like Dolly. Look at Dolly baby, Lord. If she and my friend, you know, yes. Me that walk around with one life, Dolly baby. Go to hell. Leave well alone. Yeah, I understand.
Where? We don't want to be your friend.
I understand me. We don't know like a kindergarten self. Yeah? Like a high school self. Stay, be in America for so much years and waste on a life away and sit down on the internet and see people who are ambitious.
Progressive.
Not people who just want to live for today, but who want to actually work and leave a legacy behind for their kids and their grandkids, and you guys have a problem with it. And you're there, Uncle Sam country, and you suck at life. Everything you do, you suck at it because you pay attention to other people's pots while yours is burning up. And you pay attention to other people's ingredients when you don't take the time out to know how to cook. So you watch their food, you watch them make it, you watch them eat it, you watch them sell it, and all you do is watch.
Watch.
Because you suck at life. That's not my fault, and that's not Vanilla's fault.
Not my fault either,
right?
honey.
You don't only suck at penises, you suck at life.
Suck at life.
And consume with bad mind because you see people moving ahead, not studying or no. So now is this big old dirty nasty distraction where that one distract people from actually doing what they're supposed to do with their lives because uno don't have the inability to do it, the ability to do what they're doing. So therefore, instead of looking at them and trying to learn from them, yes,
yeah,
and position yourself where you can start do something for your life. No, it's easier to sit down and point out things about them body, them ear, them clothes, and where does that get you? You criticize everything they're doing, and you're in this, and you're just sitting in the same position. Tell me, say, oh no, idiot. What can really go so? In a 2024, almost 2025, what have you accomplished? What goals have you set from last year for this year that you've accomplished?
That you actually accomplished.
That you can put forward and say, this is what I've accomplished. This is what I've set out to do. These are the new techniques that I've learned. That I've learned. I don't see any new technique at the same Sam's Club cupcakes them. At the same internet cupcakes them off of Google.
Yeah.
Yeah. That you go in Photoshop and you just transform them. Yeah. It's the same one them off of Pinterest. Yes. You understand what I'm saying? Yes. And then you take somebody's stuff who actually invests work, time, and energy into putting them stuff together, whether it's shaped good or it's shaped bad, people are buying it, consuming it, and she's making money from it. So who are the jackass?
Right.
It look ugly, it dry, it tough, but people are buying them. Yours is moist, beautiful, shape, nice and beautiful, and they're stuck with you. So who's the winner in all of this? The same thing with you, the way you look. You're a model, but you're not in any magazine, and the big girls them out here beat you bad. So who's the winner in all of this?
Right.
Who's the winner? Who's getting ahead? Who's it benefiting in all of this? You're an idiot. Idiot people. Whistle people. Now get up and talk the same thing now for 5 freaking years.
It's a broken record. Every year is the same thing.
And it's the same result.
Over and over and over, like it's getting you somewhere.
And it's the same result.
Come
the
on,
same
man.
freaking result.
You don't see it now, work for you.
Wake up. Oh, the same results. The same sitting scammer. big,
over.
ugly, cow, big back, not dress good, no shape good, not this, not that. And at the end of the day, card decline. Who's the smart one? Who's the smart one? At the end of the day, card decline.
Card decline.
At the end of the day, ain't no shipment going out.
Empty boxes.
At the end of the day, you're still staging boxes.
Yes.
At the end of the day, talking about chocolate and vanilla, while them up on all about with them life, all over the place with them family, all over doing things, all over the place with them business.
Running our
doing
businesses.
things.
Yes.
Still I go sit up, come sit down right here, sir. With a pretty house behind me. At the end of the day, it not change. Nothing about me. My card not decline.
Mine not decline.
Let me show you a stack of them. Them not decline. Them not decline. None of them not go decline. None, not one of them will decline. And this is just a fraction. Not go decline.
Mine not decline.
Not go
either.
decline. Them not go decline. It no matter how much you cost way, they not go decline. You understand? And even if them decline, let me tell you something now. Even if them decline, for my husband own them, me absolutely 1,000,000% sure them not decline. And if me then gain 2 million and I only 1 million, me say, and it happened that me should have did say 2,000,000% and for some reason, some weird reason it declined.
Yeah.
Let me tell you something. The amount of family me have when me know for them not decline. Me have one brother here when me know for a fact, although me know my core not decline, me 3,000,000,000% positive feel not decline. Because if you never watch me tonight, me that show you something. Me that block him for a second and call him and tell him I want $5,000. And me bet you, me have him on speaker. He may just say, alright, me send it to your account in the morning. So you are worried about people where you don't need to be worried about.
Right.
Yes, I will go on his phone now and send it to my account. And then there are people, you're there online, of course.
It would have
not change nothing. You know who me are.
Yes,
yes.
I know. I know.
You understand? And my husband don't even allow me to do that. You understand? So you can't talk to me ugly. Me wig ugly. Me dress ugly. Me shape bad. What else? What else? What else? We dumb.
We dumb.
We stupid. It not change nothing about my life. And you are one was still stuck in a position where you're in. You understand?
Same position.
Same position.
No more.
You could have talked from now till judgment day about the gully side, the and class auntie all you want. At the end of the day when she start bake, it will sell. It will sell off. You do the same thing every year, expecting a different result. Huh? Abiyed and Gaya bed. Abiyed and Gaya bed. You understand? Me know you're over here watching right now. Abiyed and Gaya bed. Eh? When you are going try one different strategy. And how much are we punch at the car? How much are we send the police? How much are we? Eh?
Right.
Can me lose count here now? You understand me? You understand me? Yes? Eh? Me lose track. You understand? My husband head could have big like a wolf dog. He could have howl. He could have this. He could have not look good. At the end of the day, him still going to treat me well. So what you are talking about, Penny? You know, you talk about my husband penis dead and you never see it. So how that fi affect me, idiot? How them sitting there fi affect me? Yeah?
Fool.
Yeah. Madhouse production.
Jealous, you're jealous.
Madhouse, at the end of the day, you still not have a man lonely and still have your masturbate. You understand me? The end of the day, you see you lay down in your bed and depend. You hear them a roll back. At the end of the day, I feel finger tired. You understand me?
Or the dildo battery did.
At the end of the day, your finger have arthritis in there from twiggling your clitoris. Yeah? You understand me? At the end of the day, I know for my finger have arthritis in there because yeah. For too long. You understand me? Yeah. You understand me? Yeah? And it's my fault. You get used to that and want something different. And it's my fault. Yeah? My finger fine. My fingers are fine. My finger are fine. See? Fine. I'm fine. And it's my fault your finger then can't move fast no more. Because they're tired from doing all of this. I'm doing all of this. You understand? And it's my fault. And the chocolate fault. And my finger them still can't work. Still can't. You know what I mean? All of them the finger they use vanilla.
No, I'm saying all my fingers
all
work.
of them they for you.
No, I'm saying I have 10 fingers that can move.
If one get tired, you know. You understand? And it's my fault. And it's my fault. You understand me? I mean I have to do that. You know? Maybe anaconda. You're sexually frustrated.
Anaconda.
Yeah. And it's my fault.
No.
And it's my fault.
And a fourth your dildo battery did.
My fault. My fault. I love you guys. And there's absolutely nothing you can do about it. Yeah, well, I'll come to Master Baker come out tonight. But you don't know I saw the thing said. Yes? She mad like she. See, you know. I be say one. I'm gonna get tired though. Chocolate can't bother with this. Chocolate can't bother with this. You understand? You understand? You can't bother with this. You know what I mean? Let me see if we can find something for you. Let me see if we can find something for you. I understand. Let me see if we can find something for you.
Uh-oh. Why you do it? Why you do it, lady? Why you do it? Why you do it? Me don't know why you make Master Baker come out. Why you pull her out? Eh? Why you trouble we? Why you trouble we, lady? Eh? Hey, star. No, sir.
Understand? The best we can do for you. Understand?
Oh my God.
The best this we can do for you. Understand? And you know what, Master Baker? They come for you with this. You understand? Yes. And the best this we can do for you. But this me can't. Me can't do it for you. Can't do it for you. Understand? Understand? And Master Baker can show you a thing or two. Hold on.
Uh-oh.
Understand? Okay. So you want to learn how to keep it. You want to learn?
Why you do a pep?
You want to learn? For 32 years. Huh? You want to learn? You ready? You ready? You ready? Me say if you want to learn for the 32 years. Huh? Are you ready? Tell me when you're ready. Huh? You want to learn how to lock down 32 years. Your Master Baker show it. Huh? You ready? That's how you do it. I love you guys. Good night.
Love you, kings and queens. Take care of yourself. Bye-bye.